Yeah, big buckle. Nose. There. Quick look of the green seasoning, guys. I've had some lemon juice in there as well to keep it nice and green, and I'm gonna add some oil to make it easier to blend. Right, and this is olive oil, so I'm adding some to make it nice and blendable. I've already squeezed juice in it, lemon juice, to keep it, so that's, you know, any remaining juice left. And I'm gonna put a little apple cider vinegar, and this is just a little tiny bit to keep it. Yeah, big buckle. Nose. There.